Hey everyone, it's Jessie from Sugarberry. Today's video is going to be focusing on Ruby and giving her a cozy cafe. This build idea was commented on my last YouTube video by Pastel Yellow Sun. Thanks so much for the concept for this video. I'm excited to get working on this space. I have a lot of ideas to make it comfy and cozy and everything Ruby needs in a little cafe. First things first, let's place Ruby's house. I have my plan mapped out so I know right where the house needs to go. And now that it's in place, we can get started on our build. Let's go! Now that our terraforming is complete, we can start focusing on placing some of our plants and our trees. I plan on adding more later on in the build, but these are our foundation pieces. So let's start with our garden space. Now that our trees have been planted and some have been stunted, it's time to talk about our overall plan for this space. Here's the garden where Ruby will get all of her fresh ingredients for her cafe's dishes. I want a path to go behind that kind of connects to Able Sisters. There will be another path on the right-hand side of her home. In front of the house, I will have her counter space where she runs her business, as well as 3 bistro table setups. I also plan on having some display area toward the entry to her cafe. So let's get started on our pathing. Now that my pathing is complete, it's time to start decorating the space. I have all the items I need, however, I do need to travel to Harv's Island to customize some pieces with Cyrus. I love the added feature of customization with Cyrus. It makes builds a lot easier since you have access to all variations. Now that I have all the items I need in the right finishes, it's time to start my favorite part, which is decorating. So without further ado, let's go! Just a few more things to do before our build is complete. And now a few finishing touches. With all items in place and our flowers planted, Ruby's Cozy Cafe is one step closer to opening. We just need a little time to get these flowers looking beautiful. And that's it. Ruby's open for business. Her Cozy Cafe is filled with beautiful flowers, yummy food, lots of seating choices, and a garden for fresh farm-to-table food. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a comment down below with any suggestions for future build ideas you have. I love hearing your input. Until next time, take care. Bye!